So hello everyone. So in this video I would like to demonstrate Microsoft Fabric, how we can create a SQL Server link with using gateway, and then we create a data mart, and then over the top of it we will develop a dashboard. It's a pretty simple process. Like, we have an output like this. So let's begin our demonstration. So first we need to create our workspace. For example, let's say we are going to create a workspace test fabric workspace. It could be any name, right? And then go to advanced. You must have click on trial. Okay, because trial mean you have activated 60-day fabric Microsoft Fabric account, and then apply. Okay, here you go. Once you create it, you can see that you have a different report option. Like, I will go show all to go through or walk through what we have in it. So in data engineering we have a lake house, notebook preview, spark, data factory, we have data flow chain, pipelines. In data science we have model experience, notebook preview, data warehouse, we have a warehouse. And in Power BI, this is a part of the Power BI, but we can use warehouse as well, like other things. So, and in real-time analytics we have option like KQL, database preview, query, etc. So first let's start with data mart. Okay, so I would say my, or you can say test data mart. Okay, and it is going to create. Okay, it will take bit longer time, so we need to wait unless until it complete this process. It is still continuing creating. Your data mart is still under in process. So finally, after 4 or 5 minute waits or processing, it's created a data mart, but there is no table in the data mart yet. So what we need to import data from SQL server. We can use Excel or we can use data flow. So I will use Microsoft Excel or SQL server. So I need to provide my local host name. You can use Azure as well, but I have a local name. And for this I use on gateway. Okay, so that is why it's showing me a gateway here. Let me show in this way. Like, we have on-premises gateway, and my gateway is name is GW. So you must have gateway on-premises gateway service should be running. Keep in mind, first prerequisite, if you want to connect with databases, and you need to provide your password and user ID what you have. So once you created this gateway and provide a basic authentication, or you can use as well Windows authentication and organization account, but I have basic account, so I'm using this. And optionally, it's optional, but you can provide your database name like we have. For example, we have AdventureWorks like that, but you can provide or you can skip in this step. So go to next. It will take again a while to connect it to the source. So this is taking longer than expected, maybe due to the network speed or internet speed. So here you go, you can see all your local databases here, and then you can select multiple tables or tables what you want to include in your data mart. So let's say I want to use fact internet sales. Okay, good feature I would like to tell you about that. It's select related table. If I click select related table, then it will automatically detect the relationships and and the related tables. So this is very good feature, it will save time. Then I will go for transform data, and we have to wait again. It totally depend on the speed of your internet and cloud services. So here we go, we have created it import actually 1 2 3 4 many tables, like 7 or 8 tables, 2 facts and 5 or 6 dimension here. And if we go here, we can see the data source is this, and it's our local server. Then we have in the local server we have flowing databases, and in navigation one we have all the tables of this adventure works which we have selected database. So we have this table, but in a navigation 2 we have select limited table. This is our limited tables. So save it. Okay, it will take time. Yeah, so it's creating loading data. As you see in Power BI desktop, it's creating relationship, it's creating loading data. So it's doing lot of work, build stack ETL rules, like that. So this is power of Microsoft Fabric is doing all the things for you. So few tables are already fetched completed, but fact table and long table are okay. So it's all the tables are created and it's wrapping up the things. Let's wait for the wrapping up the things. All right, so now our data mart is ready. We can write queries as well, but for this in this video I'm not going to write any query, but we have this. Okay, so we have created this, and now back to our workspace. We have created test fabric workspace. Let's open it, and we can see in a lineage view. It's a very pretty good view actually. It give you so we have created SQL server gateway. Using gateway we create test data mart, and in data test data mart we have data set, test data set. Now we want to create a dashboard. So here is option auto create report, and it will not take too much time. Your report is ready. Let's Yeah, so it's not creating only report, it's create a whole dashboard. Wow, this is the power of Microsoft Fabric. So I hope you understand how we can create data mart from local SQL server and then create a dashboard on it. So this is like this. We have this table to utilize this, and we can, if we want to change any table output, so we can edit this dashboard like we do in Power BI. So I hope you understand this tutorial, and it's really a powerful thing. Okay, thank you very much.